ECB tariff review methodology that I've referred to, the ECB board resolved to approve a 3.8% for NamPower instead of the 17.44% initially requested by NamPower. However, the 3.8% will be supported with a financial support or injection of 283 million by the shareholder of NamPower, which is our government, which also equates to around 3.8%. So there is a financial injection, and there is a 3.8% that will come from consumers. I hope we can balance it off. So without the financial injection, just at the bulk level, consumers would have paid 7.6%.